In this video, we'll show you how to change the front ABS sensor on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. Disconnect the ABS sensor cable from the brake hose. Disconnect the vacuum lines using a fork. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt securing the brake hose bracket. Then, move the bracket aside. Now you need to remove the brake system. Turn the disc outwards. This will facilitate the following steps. Tip: attach a piece of electrical cable or a hook to the subframe. Using a socket wrench and a 21mm socket, unscrew the two holding bolts on the caliper mount. Remove the caliper assembly and hang it on the hook. Lift it off using a small crowbar as a lever. Then remove the disc. In our case, we used a complementary method, which consists of screwing two bolts into the holes provided in the disc. This effectively removes the disc from the hub. You can now see the ABS sensor. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Caution: access is difficult, and the cavity is fragile. Above all, the bit must be firmly seated in its housing. You can use a hammer to help you. Using a ratchet and a Torx T30 socket, unscrew the ABS sensor's retaining bolt. Clean the sensor location with a vacuum. You can use the screwdriver. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, pry out the sensor. Then remove the sensor by jiggling it back and forth. Thread the sensor through the opening in the brake backing plate. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the ABS sensor cable bracket. Then, use a fork to unclip all of the clips that hold the ABS sensor cable in place. Disconnect the electrical connector. To do this, use a small screwdriver to push the red locking tab, then pull on the connector. You can now remove the cable. You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new sensor. Reconnect the connector.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Then, reclip all of the ABS sensor cable retaining clips. Replace the bracket. Screw the bracket retaining bolt back on. Before installing the ABS sensor, we recommend that you thoroughly clean its location using a wire brush. Thread the sensor through the opening in the brake backing plate. Insert the sensor into its housing. Then, retighten the retaining bolt. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reinstall the brake disc. You can now reinstall the caliper assembly and screw it back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Don't forget to remove the cable that you used to hold the caliper assembly together. Put the brake hose back in place. Then screw the mounting bracket back on. Reconnect the vacuum lines. Replace the ABS sensor cable in its slot. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.